Alphonse Windolo, Acholi, Acholi. Starting from the time when he was still young up to now, he has been doing extraordinary things. Of recent, Windolo was involved in the negotiation for the Balalo invasion or the Balalo invaders to quit northern Uganda. And he was saying, let's start by first removing them, then we handle other processes later. Windolo hails from a village called Aloyi in Agago district. Agago district was depleted from Bade district in the year 2010 and started official operation in the year 2011, making it now 14 years old. Alphonse Windolo. His full name is Alphonse Chikamoy Windolo, and he's a Ugandan lawyer and judge. He has been the Ugandan Chief Judge since the 20th of August 2022. The 20th of August 2020. He served as the acting Chief Justice of Uganda from the 22nd of June 2020, and he was a Deputy Chief Justice from the 30th of September 2017. He had been appointed to that position in August 2017, replacing Stephen Kavuma, who attained a mandatory retirement. One of the things that was not making people happy about the Chief Justice is idea to increase the mandatory retirement age from 70 to go above 70. Many people, especially from central Uganda, protested against his idea. He studied in one of the greatest universities in Uganda, that is Makerere University, and also Bradford University. His occupation is a lawyer, and he's well known for law. In 1988, Windolo served as a legal counsel between the peace talk of the then rebels outfit, UPDM, Uganda People's Defense Movement. Uganda People's Democratic Movement. In that capacity, he wrote the peace agreement between the Ugandan government and the UPDM on the 3rd of June 1988 at Peje Stadium in Gulu district, which is currently Gulu City. From 1994 to 1996, he was a member of Constituency Assembly, which drafted the 1995 Constitution of the Republic of Uganda. He also served as a member of Parliament representing Gagu County in the 6th Parliament from 1996 to 2001. During the peace talk between the Lord Resistance Army led by Joseph Kony and the government of Uganda from 2006 to 2008, Windolo served as legal counsel to Riek Machar, who by then was the vice president of South Sudan and who also mediated the talks. In 2008, he was appointed to the High Court of Uganda, serving in that capacity until 2015. In 2015, Windolo was promoted to the Court of Appeal of Uganda. However, he couldn't take up his appointment immediately because he was hearing a terrorism case in the High Court, in which 13 men were accused of killing 76 men in the twin bombing which occurred in Kampala in the year 2010, while people were enjoying the World Cup hosted by South Africa. Windolo ended up disposing of that case in May 2016. In August 2017, the President of Uganda, Yoweri Museveni, appointed Windolo as the Deputy Chief Justice of Uganda. And under Ugandan law, he became the head of Uganda's Court of Appeal and the Constitutional Court. On 20th of August 2020, the President of Uganda, Yoweri Museveni, appointed him as the 13th Chief Justice of Uganda, replacing Bat Mugunda Katarebe, who clocked his mandatory retirement of 70 years old on the 19th of June 2020. Well, now let's review family Justice Uganda, that's Alphonse Windolo. Justice Windolo Chigamoy is married to 3 wives with children, and one of the wives is Florence Nakachwa Dollo, who is also a judge of the High Court of Uganda and a former Deputy Director of Law Development Center. So Windolo has not been an easy profile in Acholi. Windolo has been struggling to make sure that he develops the society of Acholi while also contributing to the national development. Back at home, where people don't know, countrywide or internationally, or few people are the ones who know, Windolo struggled to bring change in agricultural development. Currently, Windolo is trying to plant macadamia, of which a number of people, including me, are worried that it might not succeed because of the climatic requirements of macadamia unless it becomes genetically modified to adapt to the environment, or bringing in artificially controlled environments such as combi tunnels, which may look very expensive. Another endeavor of Dollo was also the introduction of coffee production, coffee seedling, which did not succeed, unfortunately, but he tried. Thousands of seedlings of coffee were brought, and of these I got this one from the former veterinary officer of Gago district, that is Phillips, who happened to be my neighbor, and also told me the story of how they struggled, but in vain, because of edaphic and also climatic factors that made it impossible for the coffee to continue growing in Agao district. The worry is macadamia may grow and never produce fruits, or may grow stantedly, which slows the growth, or may not survive completely. Another thing which is also underway is this one here, secondary school. He is struggling to bring a big secondary school in the hometown, which is called Patong, and also Patong has been elevated into High Court, and hopefully Acholi are eagerly waiting to celebrate when he lifts Patong to the municipality status through his lobbying capacity with his partners in the government. And lastly, Dollo currently as a fish pond, which he converted from a natural river, which people used to call it Lucholo. And in terms of the success, it is successful. But if you look at the commercial part of it, the profitability can be arguably said not adding up, not there. Because if you see the input, like the big machine, the tractors, billions, I don't think it has been recovered through the fishing or any other project which is undergoing there. Many people in the rumor side of it or the gossip side of it says Dollo did not love the people at home, but his recent activities has proven he loves it beyond what people can imagine. His speech among the people, his love for the traditional dances, where he used to dance with the late Jacob Olanya, which we will never stop missing, but may his soul rest in peace, makes Dollo clearly somebody who loves at home. I remember one of the speech he made from State House when traditional promoters or cultural promoters at the event organized by one of President Museveni's daughter, he said the people who were supposed to be invited the first were the witch doctors. And he was right. Anyway, Dollo Chigamoy from the Hall of Fame. Thank you. Stay here, stay subscribed, and you will get another content. Bye-bye.